If you're looking for a natural disinfectant cleaner, you probably have what you need to make one already. All you need is vinegar and some water. Pour 2 cups of water into your sprayer. Add 1/2 cup of white vinegar. It's effective against germs and bacteria. Don't worry about the pungent vinegar smell. It dissipates as it dries. Shake to mix your disinfectant cleaner. It's ready to tackle nasty germs. Spray on surfaces and wipe. Our bathroom is now a germ-free zone. Wow, we've done it! We've made our homes sparkle with all natural homemade cleaners. Thanks for joining us on this green cleaning journey. If you love these DIY cleaning tips, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of natural cleaning with cheap, effective ingredients. We'd love to hear how these cleaners worked for you. Drop a comment below with your experience or any questions you might have. Thanks again for watching. Keep living clean and green, and we'll see you in the next one.